ஸோ வெல்கம் பேக் டு மை சேனல். ஸோ இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்த்திங்கன்னா டே 3 வந்து துபாய். ஸோ டே 3ல வந்து இன்றைக்கி வந்துட்டு துபாய் சிட்டி டூர். ஸோ அதுக்காக தான் போயிட்டுருக்கோம். ஸோ நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் நம்ம கூட வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஃபேமிலி அவங்க 2 பேர் மொத்தமாக ஒரு 3 பேர் மேபி இன்னும் வந்து ஒரு 2-3 சீட்ஸ் வந்து சொல்கிறாரு கேட்கலாம்.
Old areas first be, second will be new side, and third will be downtown area, new downtown area of the Dubai city. So ladies and gentlemen, here is you are in Dubai state. Dubai not a country name United Arab Emirates. Here is the together total 7 emirates are 7 states together include Dubai. And here is the look like first of Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Queen, Ras Al Khaimah, Al Fujairah. That's the 7 states and other in Arabic world Emirates are together. And they are together made the one country, United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates was founded in 2nd December 1971. And that time was a very fabulous work and very much unforgettable is the work by Sheikh Zayed. And the Sheikh Zayed, you can understand, he is His Highness, our founder of the UAE and leader, first leader of UAE, United Arab. UAE means United Arab Emirates. So today our is the tour about the Dubai. Dubai, number one, first economical leading state of the United Arab Emirates, and progress wise, development wise also number one, and but land wise number 2, and population wise number 2. So ladies and gentlemen, about the Dubai state, very popular sites. The first in the we are going to near to old areas of the Dubai. First off, it is the district called Bur Dubai, B-U-R, Bur Dubai, not a pronunciation Bur. It is a Bur Dubai. Second famous old district, it is called Dera district. So Dera district, Bur Dubai district, both of the rich of heritage area, historical places, first settlement, and a lot of number of markets, and all of there is a rich of, you can say, old buildings, and a lot of things you like a museum here. And that is the first of the we will be talk about the Bur Dubai. In the Bur Dubai, our first settlement of Dubai by name Al Shindaga. Shindaga, it is the Arabic word, it is the mean mouth of sea, and that's our first settlement then was made at the first mouth of the sea. And now you can ask me which sea touch with the Dubai and all of the UAE. So that is the sea name Arabian Gulf Sea. Arabian Gulf Sea, not a big ocean, it is a small sea. It is both side, mean one side is with the touch Iran, and second side with the Arabic countries include like Oman, like UAE, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia, of course, and last in with the Kuwait. And ladies and gentlemen, even Bahrain also in this sea. So ladies and gentlemen, our is the neighbor of our state, United Arab Emirates, first of Oman, second Yemen, third Saudi Arabia. In the sea, far away, that is the Qatar. So ladies and gentlemen, number 2, it is the state land-wise biggest, number 1 biggest land-wise, that is the name Abu Dhabi. About the Dubai, population 3.5 million population of the Dubai, and the maximum of this population is occupied by foreigner peoples. They are living at the residence visa, work permit visa, and other kind of business visas. But it is in the counting of the our population, Dubai government officially not included visitor and tourist peoples. So ladies and gentlemen, if we talk about the our majority of the which kind of the nationality people is here majority, so they are Indian nationality holder people, 44% of the Dubai population. Meanwhile, our is the left side, that is the heritage area, old name Bastakia, new neighborhood of Al Fahidi Fort. Around 60 houses are there. We will be visit little bit there. And plus there is a front screen, one more heritage is the gate entrance of Diwani Khas. So ladies and gentlemen, our right here, that is the Dubai Creek. You looking, that is a river, like a creek, like a canal, but it's a name, Dubai Creek, and the Dubai Creek, natural creek. So please come with me for the visit, for the picture, for the information. It is our by walk is a visit around approximately 20 minutes. Please come with me and follow me.
ஸோ இப்போ நீங்கள் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்க போட் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அல் ஃபஹீதி போட் ரோவிங் ஃபேஸ் போட். ஸோ இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அல் ஃபஹீத் ரோட் பிலாங்ஸ் டு த லேட் ஷேக் மக்தூம் பின் ரஷீத் அல் மஹமத்தோடது. அண்ட் இந்த போட் ஹஸ் பின் 78 ரோவர்ஸ். அண்ட் வந்து இந்த போட் வந்துட்டு ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட் இனிஷியல் த பார்ட்டிசிபேட் இன் 1972 ரேஸ் அண்ட் த கண்டினியூ தட் ரேங்கிங் இன் எவ்ரி ரேஸ் அன்டில் த 1992. அண்ட் இதை வந்துட்டு உருவாக்குனது பார்த்திங்கன்னா மிஸ்டர் முகமது பின் தானி பின் ஹர்பி அல் ஃபகிசி. ஸோ இதை வந்து 1971 வந்து அவர் வந்து இதை வந்து ரெடி பண்ணியிருக்காங்க.
More. Yes or no? If you want to help, tell me.
I need your help.
Okay. So come, let's find. Please stick with your group. Good morning.
Il veut nous montrer la maison et je lui ai dit on est pressé, mais il a dit ça pour
ஓகே ஸ்பெயின்.
You want a picture? It is a visual art, but close to my according COVID. Please, want the picture? Tell yes or no?
Yes.
At this tour, I accepted will be 1,000 picture each person will be there. Because of in the picture you will be understand and will be remember. So what you have to visit and what you study. Hi guys, please come on quickly, move in and follow me. Good morning, sir. Card roll it is.
Hello. Okay.
Move in there, stop there, move in there, stop, stick with your group. Come in, and I will come to you, will tell you only in the few words, detail of explain this place, and check it your temperature. Hello, my guys, please come on. Come in. Not everyone, another person, not moving without the permission. Look at this one. This one is a place, a coin museum. Are you know coin? At different places, that was the coin uses. and the history of the coin, and the sympathy and the wit was the era of the coin, and that is the coin. What was the reason? What was the that time using? So everything is there. One number room, second, third, fourth. Mean that the third out of 4, 5, and 6. And here is the strategy is for the visit. A few person, mean half, 4 person go in the one, 4 go the another room. And that is inside the air condition. So that's why you need to then go inside. So shut the door. You look into inside, you can make the picture inside. And then in maybe 4, 5, 6 minutes, then visit finish, come out, you change the room. And the other one come to change the room. That's the between you, 2 group, 4 people, you change the room, between the change the room, close the door, and even you go last there. Then finish there, come here. Okay? Thank you. Please move. Four. Yeah, not more. 4 1 room, 4 other room.
சரி ஓகே நீங்கள் 2 பேர் வரும்போது நாங்கள் இந்த ரூம் ரூம் இந்த ரூம் போங்க நீங்கள்
Continuously, please. Can we take pictures? Yes, sure. Okay.
கோவிட் டைம்னால வந்து நீங்கள் சானிடைஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்காக வந்துட்டு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக் சென்சார் வந்துருக்காங்க. Safety is very important.
Different kind of the boards are something you looking there, and I will come to do here.
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
Thank you.
How was your experience? Happiness meter. Yeah, thank you.
This is smile, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Bye bye. Good day.
Go there, make the picture of the boards. In 2 minutes. Come and come back. Okay, make the picture of the boards. My dears, not go left and right. And this is the irresponsible. I know. Go the board. Inside the board, please.
If he has to force us to get into the bus and take the fish.
ஸோ இதெல்லாமே அவங்களோட போட் மாடல்ஸ் போல இருக்குது ஒவ்வொன்றும்.
I have a question. You looking the one box here, and second is the box there. It is what for? And what is this? Please, yes. Check. What for yours?
Refrigerator.
Please, right answer. Only one have option for with you. One
Yeah.
time, one answer. Anybody guess?
வாட்டர் பாக்ஸா? தண்ணி?
Engine engine.
நோ, ஜஸ்ட் டெல் மீ.
Water tank.
I just told
Okay, then no other like other type of. So there is the continuously in Dubai, water is needed. Even now, full of the technology, even we need water, sweet water. Also here is the water, drinking water, little bit expensive. You can say same prices, same cost of the fuel. Come in, follow me, please come follow me.
Sexual heritage and antiquities department. Visitors come. So இங்கே போகும்போது
Inside of the house. And then people go over here, electricity, over everything. That seem like for the houses. And you looking outside too much hot. Inside natural cool. Natural cool. And material looking, that is the material of the building. Is the mostly 90% we was at that time take from to sea sand. That is the rock of the sea, and everything from the sea we collect and made the mostly our houses. You looking, and in old our heritage areas, houses, markets, everywhere. Second thing you must will check, there is the work of the wood. So that is the compulsory everywhere, wood work. Looking, and there is a window and doors, that all of the like. We have reclaimed. The mean that is the remain maintenance, but the same shape, same design, same everything. Right? Everything. moving. 1 minute. I will take the- Sample of the tent in the desert. People was then living. You looking sitting area, looking beside something. I mean there was the busy days. The people how was that lived there? Up and down, up and down. No, it's no more. You're wasting time, and I own time will be finished.
சரிடா சரிடா கோவப்படாதடா அப்பப்போ தம்பி கோவப்படுறான் அப்பப்போ சிரிச்சிக்கிறான் எல்லா விதத்தையும் பண்ணுறானே நல்லா பயமுத்தி விட்டுருவோம் பொழுது டேய் காரில் கூட்டு இங்கே டச்சு இல்லை தந்து போகணும்
No picture. Close the door when you are the cameras. No picture this side.
இந்த லோகத்துக்கு
Allah. क्या करें? Okay. If no need information, tell me yes or no. I'm going to show. Sit in the car. Please look at it. First off, we are at this place. That is the left side. That is the creek, like a canal. But it is a natural creek. It is the name is Dubai Creek. Dubai Creek. You looking? That is the natural creek. Sea water, salty water inside. It is coming from to the sea. Sea is Arabian Gulf Sea, and it is around 14.5 kilometer length of this creek. Natural creek. A lot of time we had made the depth with the machine because of no come up the water outside in the markets in the out of the bank. And here is the width of the creek. It is somewhere 800, somewhere 1200 meter. Depth, it is the 8 to 9 meter depth. And it is suitable for now medium, a small cargo ship. You looking going to inside for the trading. It is a long time we have our hub of the trading via cargo ship. Because that is the cargo ship, small and medium, go to near to the market, there is a proceed. So there's very much benefit. And other side, you looking to some people crossing the creek via boats. That is the small boats, the traditional boat, traditional this ride called Abra service. That side bank, that is the bank, and that is the other district. It is the second oldest district. It is the called Dera Dubai, and it is Bar Dubai. Dera Dubai, Bar Dubai, divided by the creek. Dera Bar Dubai divided by the creek. We are here in the Bar Dubai side. It is the front of the old map of the city Dubai, not a state. It's not big state. And here is you looking. That is about the creek. It is the creek. Have a 4 bridges. Have a 1 tunnel under the sea water crossing. We will use today. Oh, hi. People, why not die?
Al Fahid Marine Transport Stations.
If you want to window shopping, you know all of that and I told you. There are a lot of special guests to them, my dear. From China, India, and the whole of the world to both sides. So I will feel, we hope you will give us good price. If you want the Burj Khalifa, so then have a Burj Khalifa souvenir. If you want to Burjalar, have it. They are all shop. Include everything. Especially I like dry fruits, spices, tea, and some traditional fruits over there, the last part.
कितना है हाँ